So today we are exposing 6 loan apps in Nigeria that go beyond high interest. They invade your privacy, broadcast your debt, and shame your entire phone book. This isn't just borrowing; it's weaponized harassment, and revealing exactly what to do instead. You will thank yourself later. But one on our list is the Sokoloan. This has a lot of shocking reviews online. Number one says Sokoloan sent messages to everyone on my contact list. The second person says more than 20% or 20 of my contact called. They are destiny destroyers. Now, what does this go to do? These messages would only spur anxiety, shame, and distress. Immediately deny contact access. That's my advice for you. Delete the app as soon as your loan is cleared. So when you go on, people say, avoid Pampe, but then Pampe does not give out loans. All right. Flexi is a third-party loan provider powered by Bloom's Microfinance Bank. So Pampe hosts the Flexi Cash, right? So the both of them are affiliated. So Flexi is Pampe's loan future. All right. So this particular loan feature is so popular, but then there's been serious complaints about it online. They broadcast your debt. Some say you have 1 to 5% interest per day. The weapon is your shame. They go on ahead to broadcast messages to your contact, and their rate calculation, their interest calculation, we have 5% daily, and this gives you 150% monthly. Now stresses you psychologically because of the constant reminder. So here's my advice for you. Track your repayment date, pay early, communicate with customer care before your date is due. Now, is 150% interest per hour worth your license to borrow? Let's move to the next. Number 3 is Palm Credit. Now, some of the complaints read, Palm Credit is on my neck. They will call my contact if I don't pay by 12 p.m. today. And that one says, after days of shame, I vow to never pay back a penny. These ones, they pressurize you. They blackmail you emotionally. All right. And this is going to stress you. Not only will this stress you, it is going to take a toll on you psychologically. So what is worse, a one-time money or losing your peace by none? Here's my advice for you. If you miss by 1 minute, ask them for a grace period. Document all your communication. All right. This particular app would make you it will leave you embarrassed. So this particular app, many users say they did not even apply. Review number 1 says force to disburse to people who never applied, then harass them. I don't even understand. Number 2 says messages to Yetunde cycle labeling her a first, so you're in a death danger here. The very first one at that. So what to do? Check your app loan history regularly. Notify support if charged wrongly. So being accused of money you did not borrow is terrifying. So I want you to stay vigilant and be very careful with this particular loan app. So here is another loan app to avoid. This is Cashway or New Credit, L Credit, no matter how they put it. Don't fall for their whatever. Now, this particular one, they send you threats using their agents, calls, defamatory calls and images. Now, they harass you. This is going to now lead to emotional strife. All right. So my advice to you is write your prepayment reminder note and only escalate after trying to. So would you sign away your peace just to float 20k? So FairMoney is your pata of them all. This is licensed, but then the complaints online are much. In fact, I have a personal encounter with these people. The persons that borrowed and they use you as, I don't know, that shorty, blah, blah, blah. They'll use and finish your life. You borrow 5k, you repay 7k. I don't even understand. My advice to you is to calculate APR before borrowing. Ask for total repayment upfront too. So now you know that even trustworthy apps can shed your dignity. So what to do? So here's my final take. Avoid all loan apps completely. Avoid them. They're a threat to your life. Have you seen how this can affect you? So avoid them. Now, you can now use CBN regulated microfinance corporations. These are transparent and respectful. And secondly, you can borrow from friends and family with official repayment terms. Some of you, I don't even understand you people. You don't have but some of you don't even have cordial relationship with your family and friends, and you don't even keep to your words. Please change if you're part of this. So your dignity is worth more than a loan. Do not choose humiliation when support or legal borrowing is an option. Like, share, and subscribe if this opened your eyes. More real financial survival tip coming next. On my next video, I'll teach you how you can start a foodstuff business without capital. Do not miss out.